Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of using some of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. But especially in this case, it makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move from where it was here to where it ultimately closed. I think all rational people would say, yeah, today was a very nice move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the very logical question of, okay, well, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area on the chart is right here at $2.75. Why is $2.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2.75. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? At that point in time, that would be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, which would be a pretty drastic pullback, but let's just pretend bounces around and then heads back up. So even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $2.75. What about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? For this, we'll have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, go back into the past history, and looking here, the next key overall battleground right up here at $3.30. So actually the price temporarily broke above it today, but the bulls couldn't maintain those gains. And just going back through the history, it makes sense why the price did struggle around this area. You can see quite a bit of price congestion right around this area. So public enemy number one going into next week, $3.30. But all in all, great way to end the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.